Okay, here's my profitable trading strategy in 2 minutes. These are my rules. This is what I do. First off, I identify liquidity that I want to target. We are currently on an absolutely ridiculous tear in the market, so obviously I'm bullish and I'm looking to target towards all-time highs. We've got all these all-time high levels above, which are pretty close now, and I was looking to try and target these. As you can see, this is what I do. I wait for a major sweep of a low. I'll just go and mark out all these 5-minute lows. As you can see, I've got alerts at them, and I'll just wait until one of these gets hit, and then I'm looking for my reaction. If we get a nice bullish reaction from one of these levels and good momentum, I'll be looking for a gap that I can use as a trade for my model. You can see I took this trade after we inverted this gap. What have we got here? We've identified our liquidity above. We've got a sweep of a low here. We've got a really good bullish reaction. We've got an inverted fair value gap here with good momentum. You can see here we've also got a 3-candle pattern V shape, one of the most amazing reversal models in existence. So we've ticked off all of these things here that I'm looking for, as you can see. And then very simply what I do is I enter. I try to target 1R. Generally speaking, I risk about $200 per trade. Basically my risk is about halfway between the low and the gap. If we come back down and close below, I'll close for a loss, but generally speaking that basically never happens with my model. I've been having a really good time with it recently. Probably got about 10 or 11 wins in the past few weeks. Really incredible stuff. But as you can see here, I target 1R. After about 20 minutes that goes and gets hit, at which point I scale half my position and then I'll just leave runners for liquidity. On this particular trade, I wasn't super convinced that we were going to continue to go up, so I actually trailed the rest of my position up after we came up above this high here. So I ended up getting out at about a 2 for 1. So I made about $400 on $200 risk. I risk about $200 on 30 accounts copy traded usually. I actually only took this with a few accounts because it wasn't as good as my usual trades, because I like to see a bigger gap. Something like this is usually what I like to see more of, and obviously we are ridiculously high in premium right now on the week. But overall, that is my trading strategy in 2 minutes. I hope you enjoyed. As always, go down in the free Discord down below, and if you do want to get alerts for all my trades, all my winning trades recently, I've got like over an 80% win rate recently, which has been crazy, then you can get them down in the description as well in the WAP. As always, thank you very much for watching. Any more questions, go in the Discord and ask me. Leave comments down below, drop a like and all that, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.